Hello everyone, welcome to episode 12 of the C Unraveled series. And today's video will be based on the topic pointers, which is kind of a data type, which I'll elaborate about in a minute. So let's close the sidebar. Now, pointers are used to store or point to the location of a variable or to a value of the variable. Which means that we can store variable properties inside a pointer, not like it will have different properties. Let me show you first how it is. So include stdio.h int main return 0. Okay, so suppose we have a random variable a which has the value 1. Okay, now if I want to make a pointer, I will first write the type, which is a data type, which is integer. Then star is necessity to declare a pointer because it is how the computer knows that we are making a pointer. And we can write any name. I am writing ptr simply. Okay, and ptr is equal to a. Now if I use a printf statement, suppose ptr is equal to %d comma ptr. Okay, suppose this is our program. Let's save it. Let's open the terminal. So is it taking time? gcc pointers.c. What is it saying? Okay. I have to put a star here. Yeah, now save it. Now ./a.exe. Then you can see it is writing a value 2281472. This is the address of this variable a, which means in the memory of my laptop, this is the place or the coordinate of where the variable a was stored. But if now I put a star. Suppose I am just doing simply this. Let's copy it, paste, and now I put a star in front of it. Now it will print 1 because simply you can see star ptr is equal to a, so star ptr should print a. Let's save it. Let's do the gcc again, and you can, I forgot to put that next line one, my bad. So next line also I'll put it here, next line. Wait, not here. And also I want to apologize that this video is coming so late because I was just caught up in a hectic schedule and I barely had time to even record one video, but still I was continuing the daily target series, but this one was left out. So now you can see it is giving value in different line. Now we can do even further things with it. Like, let me show you. So if I copy this, okay, now if we paste, this will be more applicable in an array. So let me make an array. So equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's save it. Also, let's do this. Okay, let's save it now. Because we have technically given the data. So if I write plus plus, like, let me do this. Now if I write it like this, then it will first take this value which it printed, the coordinate of the variable a, then it will plus the value here, which will obviously bring us to the value 3. I have to put 0 here. Yeah, now it's okay. But if I do it normally like this, wait, let me do one thing. It will make the thing confusing, so let's make it simply 5, 7, 9. Okay, let's save it now. Now this will again print the address, which is not a problem. Then this will print us the value, which is 1. Then this will print us 5. And this will print us 2. So let's do it. And why didn't it print? This seems to be wrong. Let me see. Wait. First of all, I have to put ampersand here. In case you don't know, this is known as the ampersand. Let me try again. Now as you can see here, wait, what? Okay, maybe I spoke the opposite as it is. So you can see PTR this, which means the address of A0 is this one, which is given here. Then comes PTR is equal to 1. Simply A on 0 is 1. Then there is again written 1 because it simply printed the value. Let me make some changes in the program to make it rather more clear. Let me first show you the difference between this and okay, so let's save it. Now you can see also, like, I am just using increment operator. You can also use other operations, such as you can suppose put 4 and it will plus 4 if that array is that big. So also this, although it sounds quite illogical type thing, but it is a lot useful when we are working in bigger programs. Just like string, like normally string isn't that much used in C language, but if we are making a complex program, it is of a lot of use. So let me rewrite the things a little bit. So just to show you that it prints the same things as I'm saying, let's copy it, paste. Now instead of PTR, I'll put here ampersand C, not C, A, and 0. Okay, this is also used to print the address. Okay, so these will have the same output. Now again, I'll just paste it here. Now A0. This will have the same output as this one. Just to show you, nothing else. So that we can side by side verify that are we doing it correctly. And also I'll do one more thing. I'll just take this. Let's copy it. Paste. And now I'll write, suppose ptr is equal to ampersand a and suppose 2, which gives us the value 5. Also I'll change the value here, so 2. Okay, let's save it. Now let's do it again. So you can see these two have the same values, these two have the same values. Then this gives 2 because technically both are doing the same thing. After that comes 5, which, as I obviously showed, like on the index 2 there is the value 5. Then also I wrote here to tell the second index number from the A array, like this. Also I'll make the next video with a program that will use string and array altogether, and I would be using pointers to, what did we call it, to reverse the string. Like, honestly, it is not my idea. It is from an assignment I got from the university, but it seems to be a good idea, and it is a good way to show that how actually pointers and strings are used together. So if you want to learn more about pointers, you can see that video, which I think I'll try to produce by tomorrow, or at max next week, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Hope to see you next one. Till then, bye.